Alright, this is 2164 Cedar Drive, and I'm on the roof. I'm starting with the roof vent that is facing the house on the far left side. This vent is going to be closest to the bathroom they've been having all of the issues out of. So once we get down here to the base of the stack, we are going to reset the counter. Alright, so we are at the bottom of the stack. Little bit of debris right at the bottom. Let's see if we can get past it. It looks like that put us right into a combo. So it's all cast iron pipe. So 45. So far the pipe actually looks pretty good. It's a little lumpy, but for cast iron it looks great. Look like another 45. Alright, so I am out to the main where the clay is tying into where the city tap is. I'm going to go run some water inside and check the flow on the pipe. I'm going to leave the video recording while I do this. Alright, so we've got flow. I've just got 2 sinks running. Once we get closer to the bathroom, I can do a little bigger flow test. So right now I'm actually running the kitchen sink and the sink to the bathroom that's on the other side of the house. I just want to see where those guys are tying in. And the reason I didn't put a ton of flow is so we could still see the flow with the camera. So now we're back in the cast. It all looks pretty good. Alright, so that's the kitchen sink. I would assume, since it's dropping in from the top of the pipe. And then there's the other bathroom right there coming in. Okay, perfect. So then this bathroom is what's only thing that's been backing up. So what we're going to do is get back here. Now we're going to test the flow from just this bathroom that we're in. So we're still 12 feet from the stack, and you'll probably see a large amount of water come through because I want to test the flow of the toilet, and then I'll probably turn the bathtub on and we can check the flow the rest of the way back. Alright, so everything flushed great. Sink drained great. And I just left the tub running just a little bit. So I've advised the change in the toilet paper to the Scott Septic Safe. And I texted the homeowner a picture of what to buy. I think just based on having cast iron lines, the toilet paper is been what everything is getting hung up on. Looks like the tub drains right at the bottom of the stack. So everything looks great. I don't see any broken pipes. I don't see any cast iron scale. I don't see any roots. I would advise changing the toilet paper, and if the problem persists, installing a pressure assisted toilet in this far bathroom, and you should be good to go.